Okay, so we're going to have a look at another question from the 2023 Advanced Maths HSC paper. So this is question 13. We are told let p of t be a function such that dp dt is 3000 times e to the power of 2t. When t is 0, we're told p is 4000. Find an expression for pt. Okay, so if we have the derivative, let's call this p prime, and we know that this is 3000 times e to the 2t, if we integrate this, this should give us the function p. So this implies that p is the integral 3000 e to the 2t. So this tells us that p, and we'll call this p general, is equal to, well, what would we have to differentiate to get this? We would need 1500 times e to the 2t, because the 2 would come down the front to make it a 3000, plus a constant of integration. To find the constant of integration, in this case, we are going to use the fact that when t is 0, p is 4000. Because now, if we let pg equal 4000, we find 4000 is equal to 1500 times e to the 2 times 0 plus a constant. Well, e to the 0 is 1 minus 1500 from both sides, minus 1500. This gives me c is equal to 2500. So c is 2500. Therefore, the expression p as a function of t should be 1500 times e to the 2t plus 2500. And this is going to be the answer to this question. In terms of the marking, you'll get 1 mark for working that gets you towards a solution for the function. So this could be an integration or an antiderivative or some other equivalent merit that gets you towards a function. For the second mark, you'll need the final answer. And so for the final answer, you'll have to use the point and the antiderivative or the integration or whatever you did to get this function. You'll have to do that and find the plus or minus. So you'll have to find the constant. So this is how we do question 13.